మరోవైపు రైల్వే బడ్జెట్ పై విపక్షాల విమర్శల్ని అధికార పక్షం లైట్ తీసుకుంది. సురేష్ ప్రభు రైల్వే బడ్జెట్ ప్యాసింజర్లకు మేలు చేస్తుందని ప్రశంసించింది. ఫ్యూచర్ ను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకుని ఈ బడ్జెట్ తయారు చేసినట్లు కేంద్ర మంత్రులు, బీజేపీ నేతలు కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఇచ్చారు.
If I have to say in one line, is realistic, pragmatic. It has given top priority for security and also swachhata, service to the people, speed. These are the aspects that are really given importance in the new railway budget. I am very happy and I would like to compliment Sri Suresh Prabhu.
This budget has administrative reform, technical reform and economic reform, and that is going to change the basic infrastructure of the railway. It increase the capacity, increase the growth rate. As far as the economic reform is concerned, the railway minister allowing the people, the state government, the investors, the pension funds, the foreign funds, all for the investment of the basic infrastructure of the railway, and that will increase the capacity more than 200 times, 400 times. He is going to declare the new trains and he will satisfy all the country.
My heartiest congratulations to my senior colleague, the Rail Minister, under the guidance and leadership of the Prime Minister. This is a budget which is steeped in detail, has achievable targets, from solutions for ecological challenges to possibilities in the sector of tourism. It encompasses all. As a woman and as a citizen, I'm extremely grateful that he looked into aspects with regards to women's safety, with the convenience issues related to our senior citizens and differently abled citizens.
मैं समझता हूँ इससे अधिक संवेदनशील, अधिक सेंसिटिव बजट आम आदमी के चिंताओं को ध्यान में रख करके नहीं हो सकता। ये जान करके खुशी हो, और हमें इस बात का गर्व भी है कि सरकार बनते ही सर्वप्रथम बात जो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री के हाथों से हुई।
एक नया संकल्प है पूरे रेलवे को सुधारने के लिए, रेलवे में दूरगामी परिणाम करने के लिए। ये बहुत ही सराहनीय बजट है और जो देश को एक नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाने का माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की कल्पना है, उसके अनुरूप रेलवे बजट है। इसके लिए मैं सुरेश प्रभु जी का अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। रेलवे के विकास में क्या प्रभावी भूमिका होनी चाहिए, उसका बहुत ही सार्थक रोड मैप इसमें है। फर्दर passengers amenities at the groundest level all have been addressed, including a vision for smart trains, more speedy trains to address the needs of passenger safety.
विमेन सिक्योरिटी के लिए तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि उन्होंने जो प्रोटेक्शन दिया है, कैमरा लगाए हैं, बहुत अच्छा है।
यात्रियों के लिए रेल बजट है। यात्रियों की सुविधा और सुरक्षा पर बहुत ध्यान दिया गया है। यह बजट में यात्रियों की सुरक्षा भी की चिंता की गई है, सुविधा की भी की गई है, और रेल के नेटवर्क को बढ़ाकर यात्री को ज्यादा से ज्यादा रेल उपलब्ध हो, इसके लिए भी चिंता की गई है।